How to start a business with no money intro. Hey there, entrepreneurs. Are you curious about starting a business but think you need a lot of money to get started? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not always the case. In this video, we'll explore some practical steps to start a business with no money. We'll cover what you need to consider, what resources are available, and how to get started. So, let's dive in. Assess your skills and resources when starting a business with no money. You need to focus on what you already have. Start by making a list of your skills, education, and any equipment or tools you already own. Think about what you can use to your advantage in your business. For example, if you're good at writing, you could start a freelance writing business. Or, if you have a good camera, you could start a photography business. Identify your market and niche next. You need to identify your target market and niche. Who are you selling to? What problem are you solving for them? Research your competition and understand what makes your business unique. For instance, if you want to start a business selling handmade crafts, you might focus on a specific type of craft, like jewelry or pottery. Use free resources. Many free resources are available to help you start a business with no money. Websites like Google, YouTube, and social media platforms are great places to learn and get your business noticed. You can also use free online tools like Google Forms, Canva, and Trello to help with tasks like customer service, design, and project management. Leverage your network. Your network is a valuable resource when starting a business with no money. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues to see if they can help or provide advice. You can also join online communities and forums related to your industry to connect with others who may be able to offer guidance or support. Start small and be flexible. When starting a business with no money, it's essential to start small and be flexible. Focus on one idea and test it out before scaling up. Be prepared to adjust your plans as needed and don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. For example, if you start a blog and find that writing articles takes up too much time, you could switch to creating videos instead. Look for low-cost business ideas. Some business ideas are naturally low-cost, such as selling digital products or offering services like virtual assistants or social media management. Research these ideas and see if they align with your skills and resources. Consider bootstrapping. Bootstrapping means starting a business with your own savings or income from a part-time job. While this can be challenging, it also allows you to keep complete control of your business and make decisions quickly. If you're unsure about how to start a business with no money, consider bootstrapping to get started. Conclusion: starting a business with no money requires creativity, hard work, and a willingness to learn. By assessing your skills and resources, identifying your market and niche, using free resources, leveraging your network, starting small, looking for low-cost business ideas, and considering bootstrapping, you can get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment below with your questions, and share with others who might be interested.